All right, so way back in the day when I was married, we had two Mazda 3s and a CX-7. And I always loved the Mazda's performance and just you get behind the wheel and just sporty feel, just good road manners. But it was always kind of a harsh ride and kind of a driving in a beer can kind of effect. So I was a little bit hesitant on getting a grocery getter, go to the casino kind of car to putz around to have with the truck until I test drove the new 2024 Mazda CX-50 Turbo. And so I went down to the dealership, took a test drive one day, and I was like, wow, these things have come a long, long way. And I was like, okay, this is kind of an emotional event the first time. So I went back there the second time and test drove it again just to, make sure I wasn't losing my mind or anything. And I said, well, let me take it out on some rough roads. So we took it out some rough roads in Norman, Oklahoma, and got pulled over. I kid you not. And it's because the dealership didn't have a dealer tag on the back or something. He let us go, but I wasn't speeding or anything like that. So I decided on the color and the package, and I went with the Premium Plus, the Turbo Premium Plus with the zircon sand and terracotta interior, as you can see here. Now, this isn't a driving video or anything like that, but I'm a pretty big guy, as you can probably see in the reflection there, and I fit snug but comfortable in this thing. And right now I'm just, keeping the battery topped off with the battery tender down here, and it's fine. And one thing I did with this new car was laminate the window sticker. And you can pause this and take a look. See, this is what it is. And as you know, I'm a pretty much straightforward, in your face, don't lie kind of guy. I did not pay that. Dealership offered $2,000 less, and also $500 military. So $2,500 off this, and that's what I got it for. So right around 43 or whatever, 42 and some change, and put a whopper of a check down. And since my credit was, I'm not going to tell you what my credit score was, but it was almost near the top, I got 0% for the remaining finances. So payments are nothing. Got some insurance put on it, and that's about all she wrote. Pretty zippy little turbo. 256 if you're running 91 or 93 octane, and 320 pound-feet of torque, and it's got a lot of freaking torque to it. All-wheel drive on 20s, which I can tell you right now look terrible to me. And I asked him about 18s, going down to 18s with a little bit more rubber on there, just for a little bit better ride. It rides really smooth and relatively quiet, but they say, this is an off-roady kind of, you can take it off-road, but yeah, right. I don't know, it does have an off-road mode on it. It's got the subwoofer in the back. Let me show you, this is kind of cool. Lift it right here like this. Electronic, stereophonic. All right, so I got another rubberized mat coming in, but the subwoofer is that gizmo right there on the spare tire. That's an actual Bose subwoofer. I kid you not. Cargo net. These things roll down right here by this flip of this button. Boink. And you got some cargo space in there. So a little jazzy car. Oh yeah, check this out. You can close it right here. Wink. So kind of like a little upscale, bop around town, short trip kind of deal. And you only live once and you can't take it with you, right? So there you have it. New member of the family. And keeping the truck. That thing's a keeper. That's my sports car, guys. This is my grocery getter. That's my freaking Corvette right there. With the 6.2 and cold air induction, exhaust, and tuning. That some bitch get up and freaking fly like a fighter. So if I really want to feel, roar, 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 I already got that. So this is the zippy zoom zoom, get around town kind of thing here. So there you have it. Be spending money at the casino, right? All right, later.